Good morning, everybody. So we are back on the absolutely beautiful Pierre Cardin. Love this car. And we're doing valve cover gaskets today and intake gasket today. And I'm noticing some of the vacuum lines could probably be replaced because they're starting to get a little stiff. Yeah, that one's definitely on the stiff side. So we're pulling the valve covers and they're silicone bombed. Like completely silicone bombed. And almost none of the screws are tight. So that would explain the massive oil leak on this cart. I don't get it. I probably will never get it. Do the job once and do the job right. Just amazing. But this one's going to be kind of short because these are pretty in-depth to try and get out. But I will show you guys as each part is off, and we will go from there. All right, everybody, have a great morning.
Scotty, did you just tell me I have to get closer?
Yes, I did.
Do I have to strip down first?
Only if you've got the red dress, and I like those black 6-inch stilettos. Makes your legs look fabulous.
My ankle's not good for heels right now.
So
we'd leave hairy fat guy prints on here too. That would
right?
be good. So you're working on
the valve cover
manifold
gaskets
and valve
manifold.
cover
So
removal.
they're just everything's really tight, as you can tell. But if you get close enough, now I've moved lines before, so it's not a big deal. But just get real close to the manifold.
It just made noise a minute ago. No, it's not.
The system's probably almost completely out.
Yeah.
So this needs to be either completely regasketed or this line is bad.
Well,
which would be manifold
these
and
lines,
both lines.
They don't make them like this anymore, so they are original because they don't crimp them like that anymore.
Right.
You know.
Yeah, they're much better now. I agree.
Yeah.
But we may be.
And it has been converted to 134A.
Yep.
But yeah, it was just hissing. You just moved it.
And I mean, I'm not prying on it because I need to get in here to the other bolt, which is behind the radiator. Oh my God.
Wow.
Behind the alternator. And I've only got like 1 or 2 screws left, and this one I can start pulling off. Because I mean, everything's being bagged and tagged so that there's never an issue.
Bag and tag, baby.
You know, so we know what's going on at any point in time. But this is crazy. I mean, it's like every time I touch one little tiny thing, we've got vacuum lines that are as hard as rock, cracked.
The
so I mean,
PCV tube is definitely.
Oh, without a doubt.
Days.
You think? Well, I tried not to, especially on days with it end in Y. It's just not worth it anymore.
Think?
The pay's not enough. The pay is not enough to think. But I just wanted to keep you guys updated. So this will go in with my video on my phone so everybody knows what's going on. But I'll be pulling this valve cover in just a second.
Yeah. And I mean, we're probably going to have to reseal the AC.
Yeah.
We're probably going to look at lines, to be
I think
honest.
because these are the originals.
I would not. They're old.
Yeah, I mean, it would probably be a really good idea just to put newer lines on. You know, hand these to our AC line guy and go, hey, I need these remade, but newer.
Yeah, I'd rather have him make them than.
Oh, yeah, without a doubt, because he does an amazing job.
When we order some, half the time they don't fit. And that's wrong.
No.
Yeah, because nobody makes anything right anymore.
Welcome to the age of... Shut up, Scotty. Shut up.
Age of Aquarius?
That would be me.
Are you wearing Aquarius?
No, I'm a Leo, bitch.
Oh.
Dead center, August 5th.
Oh. You know what's funny, though? Those girls that, like, always blame everything they do wrong on their astrology. It's like they hit a curb, break real. It's like, I'm an asparagus. I had to put
I don't know if you saw this, but I actually questioned it not that long ago. There was a girl, and I'm hoping this is a complete joke. I really am. If it is, it's stupid funny, not in a good way, but stupid, but okay, I laughed. Because the sun is so hot in the daytime, why don't we go when it's nighttime?
Oh, my God.
My brain fell out of my head.
To go see the sun.
Yep.
To go land on the sun. Yeah, people are...
At night, not during the day, because at night it'll be cooler.
People are stupid. Anyway. All right, so Scotty's working on the valve covers. He's going to keep on keeping on. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye, guys.